The Jams tournament is back.
Come on, Nate. Yeah! Please carry. Great shot. It don't even matter, bro.
Over 640 teams from around the United States are coming to Orlando, Florida to bowl at AMF Sky Bowl to compete for the $9,000 top prize. As you guys know, we won this event last year and we're looking to defend and go back-to-back in the same building. This is weekend 2 of the Jams tournament. Let's get straight to the action.
Alright guys, so this is game 1. I shot 260. Not the worst start. And here is game 2.
Help, help, help.
On the mystery square, last call for
Help, please, help, please. Okay.
Oh my God!
so far.
Alright
We're
guys, I
going to
shot
verify.
277. Come on, lads. Get it.
Game 2, y'all.
Smooth.
And it's time for the quick shot jackpot, $3,940.
Great shot.
Help a lot. Help a lot.
My last. Oh.
Throw a good shot.
My last. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes. Be good. Lay there.
7. 883-397.
Oh, lay there, lay there, lay there.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a freaking set, man. 825 to take over the singles scratch lead right now. And I believe third in handicap. We shot, I don't know if you can see it, but we shot 30-14, which is 9 pins short of the lead. That's okay. Our guys are locked in and we got some great ball motion. So we're gonna just do what we do. We're going to continue to grind. We're going to continue to get there. Really proud of the guys. Great start to weekend number 2. And I'm feeling really good. So let's get after it. Let's keep going. See you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, we are in the final stretch. I haven't been able to film much today just because really nothing has gone on. But last squad, we're going to make something happen. I'm going to film for you guys. This is the last squad of the second weekend that I'm bowling. So we're looking to put up a number. Obviously, you guys saw the highlights from this last squad that we did. Kai had a chance to shoot 300. He shot 279. Two-way tie for the last game, high game, scratch-wise. And he's in the Moonlight Shootout. So that is a scratch eliminator style format. So he's in the final two. He shot 279 in the last game, tied with somebody. So those two face off. They bowl 5 frames, I believe, and high count wins. So let's say they get 9, they get 9 for the frame. And if they get strike, they get 10 for the frame. So 4 frames total pinfall is the winner. And I think it's like 1,400 up for grabs for first and 700 for second. So let's see how Kai does.
Win first place money of $1,400. Second place is $700. We're gonna set the stage, so one moment.
Yeah, real strikes, baby. Yeah, real strikes. All right, so after 2, Kai has a total of 19 pins and Ray has a total of 7. Winner, winner. That's enough.
Run me my money.
Do it again, do it again.
Money, Gerard.
Great shot.
It don't even matter, bro.
Alright guys, I've done a terrible job at updating, but those are our scores after 2.
Go. Come on, Nate. Yes!
There it is, y'all. 827. Even though I was leading singles with 825, we're back up there, 827.
All right, so weekend 2 is coming to a close. I ended up bowling 2 amazing sets, 825 and 827. Still haven't managed to shoot 300 yet in the event, but 2 really big blocks to propel myself to the lead is pretty insane. And we also had a huge run as a team to take over the lead. We fell 9 pins short, but the tournament is not over. We still have one more weekend coming up this weekend. We got some killers coming into town, and I can't wait to share the lanes with them. It's going to be really fun. Yeah, this is our tournament, so let's go and grab the top spot this next weekend. And yeah, I can't thank you guys enough for watching. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And this weekend, we're going to have some more content for you guys. Weekend 3 is just right around the corner. So until then, we'll see you next time.